In this episode, I'm teaching you guys how to draw a circle to touch three given lines, and these three given lines are line AB, BC, and CD, and these lines are touching each other. So the first stage is to bisect two angles. So the two angles that are within the three touching lines. So basically, you bisect this angle and this angle. So I'll bisect one on the camera. Now basically, you put your compass point, and then you cut the two containing sides of that angle. Then you open to a convenient radius, and then you put in those contacts. You cut above, then you put in the second contact, and then you intersect the first cut. So then you draw a line through the intersection to the center of that angle. So you draw a line through it. Now I will do the same thing for the second angle. Now, as you can see, I have bisected the two angles, and this is the intersection. Now, through the intersection, you draw a perpendicular to meet one of the straight lines. So I will put my ruler below one of the straight lines, and then you extend your set square till it touches the straight line. So now when it touches it, that perpendicular, this is called the perpendicular from here to here. Now the length of that perpendicular will be the radius of the required circle. Let's open the perpendicular. So you can see that this is it, and this will be the radius of the required circle. So I will draw the circle. It appears to be actually excessive. Trying to adjust the points. So yeah, I've drawn the circle, and this is a circle that touches three given straight lines.